Alright, so I come out here today as I was going to do a honey harvest, and I see this hive's got some crazy activity going on, and I believe they are getting robbed out. Yeah, see how they're fighting at the entrance? So I'm gonna put a smaller entrance on this. Alright, so I put a smaller entrance reducer on here. I don't have no robbing screens, so I'm hoping putting that on there. You know what, I might even do this. They can still come in and out that way. That's crazy. Look at them fight. I even got some dead bees down here at the base of the hive. I'm definitely trying to rob them out. That's not good. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Well, if you didn't notice, I come out here. I was going to do a little honey harvest on my hives and get them ready to treat for the varroa mite. But when I came out here, I noticed I had an issue going on with Queen Ruby down the road here. It looked like she was getting robbed out, so I reduced the hive entrance, and I think after I'm done harvesting what I can out of these few hives that I can harvest out of, I'm going to try a little trick that you can use when your hives are swarming. I'm going to turn the sprinkler on, and hopefully that'll help detour any robbers that are going on, and help stop the issue, since I don't have any robbing screens. But let's get in here and harvest some honey. Now, I don't have any fume boards or none to put on here, chase the bees out or anything, and I don't have any bee escapes, so I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way, I guess, and that's shaking the bees off the frame. And don't worry, it don't hurt the bees none. They got strong exoskeletons, so they'll be just fine. I'm not going to be harvesting all these frames. Pretty decent. Look at that. Decent. I like this one here. I've been swapping out frames. This is one I had harvested earlier this month, and it's empty, but they've already started redoing the comb on it. When I did this one, I just used a plastic spatula and I scraped all the comb off. So they're having to redo that whole comb there. Doing a pretty good job though. Trying to do this quick so I don't entice any more robbing. Now this frame's going to be cut comb. This is a foundationless frame. Look at that. That's going to be my cut comb. This is my first honey harvest. I've heard instead of brushing the bees like so, if you go at them with a flicking motion, tend to piss them off a little less. Alright, so I got my setup going on. Got my bucket, and the cheap way to filter my honey from my wax is just a paint strainer for a 5-gallon bucket. And I got a board. I cut some notches so it'll fit on the bucket and ran a screw up there through there so it sticks out. That way I can just take my frame of comb, stick it on that screw, and I'm not quite sure which is the best way to do that. So anybody's got any tips or pointers, leave it in the comments, would you? Like, if you've been watching my channel, I'm a newbie at this, so we'll see which one works best, I guess. I had to borrow an extractor I gotta send a shout out to my friend there from the bee club that we're part of. They offered to lend me their extractor to use for a couple days, so thank you for that. It's going to help me out a lot. Save a lot of comb anyway. Spin away. Oops. Got them both in there the same way. There we go. I guess you load them up. You gotta load them up at an angle there. Spinning honey. Got a good percentage of it out of there. I'm not sure which method I like the most. That one looks pretty torn up. Look at all that sweet goodness. All right. Got it all spun out. I'm gonna put it through this another paint strainer. There you go.